trying to do the best I can to allow the plants to receive water during going away for about a week. Only at this section so far have I built this little river, and I've punched holes to where the plant roots are as well. It's feeding, I believe, the amaranth here, whatever zucchini, cucumber, silver beet, sunflower over here, some watermelon, and more watermelon over here, and the primary watermelon plant that's up on this trellis. All I'm doing here is building a trench, I suppose, a little river system for my plants over here. I've just got the hose on, no fancy thing going on, and I've got this bit of wood leaking down to the actual plant. Could do a better job here, who knows. And the other thing I'm doing right now, which may not work, is I'm feeding this tank down to the grapes. So the water's dripping down the septic here, and I believe it's going down into the grapes. Can't really confirm the system being working at all until I go away, because that pressure's going to have to be lowered, and when it's lowered it may not go down to the grapes at all, not unless I basically increase the length of the hose, which is probably going to happen.